In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Coinbase wallet to CoinStats. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, sign into your account. And after you've done that, you want to go and click on Portfolio Tracker, top left. And if you're in here for the first time, you're going to see this screen and you want to click on Other Connect, okay? That's the first way, but if you already have a portfolio and you have some wallets in here, you want to click on the wallet you're currently in, top left. And then from here, click on Connect Portfolio, bottom right, and you'll see the exact same screen. Now, after you're here, you want to search for Coinbase wallet. So just type in Coinbase. And here you can see the Coinbase wallet. You want to click on it, and you only have one option to actually connect it, and this is via a manual add, okay? Now here you'll have to put in your wallet address, and of course, you can auto detect network, or you could go ahead and basically select the network you want to do. So here I'm just going to leave it as auto detect because usually it will detect very well, and you just have to paste in your receiving address. So just go into your Coinbase wallet, look for your receiving address and paste it and basically copy it and paste it in here. So for me, I have my wallet over here. As you can see, it's going to start detecting. There we go. It's correct. It's on the Solana network. This is a Solana wallet address. Now, I've basically gotten this from my Coinbase wallet. So again, this is the receiving address of your Coinbase wallet, whichever one you're using in there. And then here you can add another one if you wanna, or you can just basically ignore this and just add one and then click on the connect button. And what's gonna happen here is it's basically gonna start connecting. And usually within just a few seconds, you can see here, I've successfully added my Coinbase wallet into my CoinStats portfolio. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.